Happy day students, welcome to San Academy Group of Schools, Pallikarnai, Class 9, Subject Mathematics, Topic Polynomials. Polynomials are nothing but algebraic expressions that satisfy certain conditions. Now let us see what is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expressions are something which you have been learning in the previous classes also. An algebraic expression is any mathematical expression that contains constants, variables, and which are combined using operations like addition, subtraction, etc. Now, various terms in this statement let us learn. Constants. What are constants? Constants are nothing but numbers. The numbers which you use every day, like 5, 7, 8, 9,763. All these are constant numbers. Variables. Variable means variables are denoted by alphabets, right? X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Why are they called variables? Because their value keeps changing. That is why they are called variables. So these constants and variables are combined together using operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let us see some examples here. 5x. Here 5 is multiplied by x and 5x is an algebraic expression. 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 is another example of algebraic expression here. Other one is x square plus 1. Like this we can write any number of examples for algebraic expression. Now let us see what are called the terms of an algebraic expression. Terms are nothing but if you take an algebraic expression, a variable, constant or a combination of both that are separated by plus and minus are called terms of an algebraic expression. So if you see 6x minus 7 here, there are two terms here. One is 6x, the other one is minus 7. So 6x and 7 are separated by operator minus. So here the terms of the algebraic expression are 6x and 7. Now let us see what is a coefficient. Coefficient means the number multiplied to the variable is called as the coefficient. If you take the term 2x, in this the variable is x. We all know that, right? All the alphabets in the algebraic expression are nothing but variables. So this variable x is being multiplied by 2. So the 2 is the coefficient of x here. Now let us see what is a polynomial. That is the title of our chapter, right? So let us see what are polynomials. Usually poly means many. Poly means many. You might have learned polygon. What is a polygon? Polygon is a closed figure with many sides. So there also poly means many. Here also poly means many. Nomials. Nomials means terms. So an expression containing many terms is called as polynomial. So a polynomial contains many terms. A type of algebraic expression with many terms having variables, coefficients, constants, all these things is called a polynomial. Some of the examples are given here. 10, a plus b, 7x plus y plus 5, w plus x plus y plus z, so on. We can write as many as we can. Let us see this algebraic expression here. 5x square plus 2y minus 7. So what are all the terms we have just now learned? Let us try to find those things in this algebraic expression. We have learned that a polynomial is something which contains many terms here. What are all the terms here? 5x square is one term. 2y is another term. And the other one is minus 7. All these 5x square, 2y and 7 are separated by plus and minus. Next thing is coefficient. What is the coefficient? We learned that the coefficient is the number that multiplies the variable, right? So here the variable x to the power of 2, x square is multiplied by 5. So in the term 5x square, the coefficient is nothing but 5. Again, when you come to 2y, the coefficient is 2. So we have learned that the coefficients are 5 in this case and 2 in this 2y. Now, what is an exponent? We know we have learned exponents, right? In the previous chapter also we have learned exponent. Exponent means the power of the number, the variable, whatever. So here x to the power of 2. So this power is nothing but exponent. And then constant. Constant means the plain number which is there in the algebraic expression or the polynomial. Here the constant is 7. Operators are plus and minus that we No. So what are all the things we have learned? Coefficient, which are 5 and 2. Exponent, the power 2. Constant, the number 7. The variables are x and y here. And the operators are plus and minus. Now, do you think all the algebraic expressions are polynomials? No, that is not the case. So let us see when an algebraic expression is not a polynomial. So let us see. If you take this one example, 2x square plus root x, square root over x, if you have variables inside the radical or inside the root, square root, cube root, something like that, then that expression is not a polynomial. So when you take 2x square plus 2 plus root x, here x is x to the power of 1 by 2. So the power of a variable cannot be fraction in a polynomial. The next one is 3x cube plus 4x to the power of minus 2 plus 3. Again, the power of the variable cannot be negative. No negative exponents are allowed. Then again, 8x square minus 2 by x. 2 by x can again be written as x to the power of minus 1, right? When this x goes to up, it will become as 2 into x to the power of minus 1. Again, it will become a negative power. So, x or the variable cannot be in the denominator. The other one is 4 to the power of x plus 3. Here also, x is written as an exponent here. The number is there and it has a variable exponent. There also it cannot be an polynomial. So 4 to the power of x plus 3 can also be not a polynomial. X cannot be an exponent. Again, let us see. 5x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 3x square minus 2. Again 1 by 3. I told you know here also x to the power of 1 by 2. Root over x means it is x to the power of 1 by 2. X to the power of 1 by 3 means cube. It also cannot be a polynomial. Exponent cannot be a fraction. So what are all the rules we have to see? It cannot be under the root. It cannot have negative power. The variable cannot be in the denominator. The variable cannot be an exponent. And the variable cannot have fraction as a power. Let us see, based on the number of terms, how many types of polynomials are there. Monomial. Monomial means there is only one term in the polynomial. See here, p of x, the polynomial p of, usually we will denote the polynomial as p of x, q of x, r of x, d of t, something like that. We can write the polynomial as a function of x. P of x means nothing but a function in the terms of x. Here polynomials which have only one term are called as monomials. P of x is equal to 3x. So here there is only one term in this polynomial. Again, q of a is equal to 2a square. There is only one term in this polynomial. Binomial. What are binomials? Which have two terms. Bi means two. Mono means one. So binomials means which have two terms. Let us see, r of x is equal to x plus 10. Here how many terms are there? X is one term, 10 is the other term. X plus 10 is one term. C of z is equal to 7z square plus z. Again, there are how many terms are there here? Two terms. 7z square is one term, z is another term. You have to carefully observe which are terms and which are coefficients. Okay, the terms are separated by plus and minus. Okay, coefficient means the number that is multiplied. Again, one more confusion is the difference between coefficient and a constant. Coefficient is nothing but that multiplies the variable. Constant does not multiply anything. It simply exists as a number in the polynomial. So these two things you have to carefully observe. Then the next one is trinomial. Polynomials which have tri. Again, we know the triangle 3. So trinomial means 3. 3 terms. Polynomial which has 3 terms are called trinomials. So 7x square plus x plus 7. So p of x, a function in terms of x, can be written as 7x square plus x plus 7. This has 3 terms here. One is 7x square, one is x, one is 7. Again, d of t is equal to t cube minus 3t plus 4. Again, there are 3 terms here. Now, do you understand the difference between a coefficient, an operator, terms, constants and everything, right? Let us take this example only, 7x square plus x plus 7. There are three terms. The three terms are 7x square, x and 7. The coefficient of x square is 7. The coefficient of x is 1. The constant in this is 7. Okay. Degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial means the largest exponent of that variable. Exponent nothing but power. If you have 3x square plus 7x minus 7, here the largest power of the variable x in this polynomial is 2, right? 3x square plus x minus 7. So, 2 is the degree of this polynomial. Let us see some examples. Here, if you see 4x plus 1, here the largest power of the variable x, the variable in this polynomial is x, right? So, the largest power is 1 only, x to the power of 1 only we have. So, the degree of this polynomial will be 1. Let us see. 2. 2 alone can also be a polynomial. If you write a single constant, then that is also called a copolynomial. That is nothing but a 0 degree polynomial, or you can tell it as constant polynomial also. So 2 is a constant that has no variable. So there is no variable written here. So it is called a 0 degree polynomial. Okay. Next, when you come to 4x plus 1, this is a first degree polynomial. First degree polynomial. Why is it called a first degree? Because the maximum power of x here, the variable here is 1. So it is called a first degree, or it is also called a linear polynomial. Next comes 5x square plus 2x minus 14. If you see 5x square plus 2x minus 14, the variable here is x and the largest power of x is 2. So like these type of polynomials are called quadratic polynomials or second degree polynomials. Next comes 3x cube minus 8. This is a third degree polynomial. Third degree polynomials are also called cubic. Why is it a third degree polynomial? The maximum power here is 3. The maximum power of the variable is 3. So it is called a cubic polynomial. So what did we learn? A constant polynomial which has no variable, only a constant is present. Next comes linear polynomial in which the highest power is 1. Next comes quadratic polynomial in which the highest power of the variable in the given polynomial is 2. Next comes 3x cube minus 8 where the highest power of the variable is 3. Thank you.